Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know it has been a little while since I made my last video, and today I have something different. So let's get started. Okay, so let me show you the light bulb that I'm gonna use. It's this LED light bulbs made by Sylvania, and it's rated at 6000 K. So it should be very bright. So I hope it works. So let's go to my garage and let's start with this project. Don't go anywhere. Alright, let me show you the difference between a regular light bulb and LED light bulb. Alright, to remove this cover, we can use this tool, and as you can see, it's very easy. You start in one corner on the left and go to the next one, and that's it. The cover is out. Now, to remove the light bulb, it's gonna be a little difficult because the light bulb is very small. So you just have to keep pulling out the light bulb like this. Alright, so let's insert the new light bulb. Let's see if it works. Nope, it doesn't work. But don't worry, there is nothing wrong with the light bulb. All you have to do is to change the polarity of the light bulb. Alright, just make sure that the red dot is facing down, like this. So it should work. Alright, so let's put the cover back. And what you want to do is to start on the right side first, just like this. And then push back. And it's done. Alright, let's open the door and see how it works. You can see the regular light is on and it's yellow. And this is the new LED light bulb. Now let's close the door. Good, it's working. With the same tool, we're gonna start pressing down on the left side like this. As you can see, it's coming down. Now with both hands, you wanna pull down the lighting fixture little by little, side by side, until the whole thing comes out. Once you see the light bulb, all you have to do is to pull it out. But it's not easy. It's a little difficult because the light bulb is very small and there is not much room to put your fingers in there. So take your time and grab it very well and pull it out. Okay, so let's put the new LED light bulb. Push it in. Let's try. No, it's not working. Okay, so we know what we have to do. We just have to change the polarity. The red dot facing down again, just like we did with the other one. Push it in. Let's try to see if it works. Yeah, it's working. So now we just have to push down the lighting fixture just like that. And as you can see, it's working. Yep. Alright, this part is done. Okay, so we're gonna follow the same steps that we did before. We start on the left side with this tool and we push down. Once it comes down, you wanna kind of turn it around little by little until the whole thing is out. Alright, now you can pull out the light bulb just like this. So now let's insert the new LED light bulb with the red dot facing down. Okay, it's working. So now all we have to do is to put it back in place. If you're having trouble inserting the lighting fixture back in place like this, you can use the tool to push it in like that. Alright, so this part of the project is done. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, I just want to show you in this picture the difference between the LED light bulb that I just did with the other one that is a regular light in the back. Big difference. Okay, so these are the new LED light bulbs that I'm going to use for the dome light and the trunk light on the rear door. Okay, so now we're gonna work on this dome light, and there are 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what you want to do is with the fork tool like this, go inside the plastic cover. Okay, so here is. That's what we just removed. These are the tabs that you have to check out. And the light bulb is right there. So what you want to do is kind of push this down to the left so you can get the light bulb. Also, you can push the light bulb from this side down to bring it out. It's a little difficult because there is not much room, but this is holding the light bulb right there with pressure. So what you want to do is push in this way so the light bulb comes out. I'm gonna have to use both hands. Okay, so what I have to do is with the left hand push this down like this, and then with the right hand you want to push the light bulb a little more this way, and then it's gonna come out. So now we're gonna replace it with this LED light bulb. Okay, so I have the light bulb right here. You want to make sure in this case with this one it has 2 sides, and you can see the yellow part right there. Those are the LED lights, so they have to be facing down. So we're gonna put it right in the hole. Let me see if I can get a better picture. You can see the hole right there. You want to put it right there. Okay, so now we're going to remove this light bulb in the trunk. We use this tool, and we had to work on this side to pull out everything. Just like that. And then you pull out everything. Okay, so now we have to remove this gray cover. Okay, I'm gonna use the same tool, and what you want to do is to go inside here and that comes out. Okay, and now we're going to remove this light bulb. What you want to do is you're going to push this down so the light bulb comes out like that. And what you want to do is just push down the light bulb. I guess I'm gonna have to use both hands. Okay, as you can see, I have to unplug this because it was a little difficult to put the light bulb inside the frame. And what I had to do is this metal was 90 degrees and it was very tight to put this light bulb in place. So I had to bend a little bit this side, and then the switch, you can see how the switch moved the light bulb in that way to the on and off position. So if you don't fix this base, the aluminum part to make fit of the light bulb, the switch won't work. So now I'm gonna connect these two together. Okay, so as you can see, it's already plugged in, and we're gonna turn it on, and it's working. See it right there? So it depends on what brand you get. It might be easier or not to fit the light bulb into the socket. Okay, so now what we have to do is to put the cover back in place. All you have to do is to put it back in there like that, and it's working. There you go. This job is done. Thank you for watching.